Hi everyone, I hope you are well. In the WSET L3 Award in Wines examination, words like identify, describe and explain are what are called command verbs. They instruct you to answer the question in a very specific way, and if you don't follow that instruction, you're going to be leaving marks on the table. Even if your knowledge is sound and you know everything there is to know about that particular topic, if you don't follow that command verb, you're going to lose some marks. So let's break it down. If the question says identify or name, that's easy, just name it. No explanation, no extra detail. In fact, if you add more, you're probably going to be wasting your time. For example, a typical identify or name question might be, identify the climate of Chablis. The answer, of course, would be cool continental. But if the question says describe, now you need to give characteristics. Describe what it's like. Think facts, features, observable points. Let's continue with our Chablis theme. So describe the climate in Chablis. More details needed. So consider including the climate classification, typical temperatures, sunshine hours, expected rainfall, weather hazards, winter conditions versus summer conditions, how long is the summer, and so on. Next up, we've got explain questions that have explain as their command verb. Now, this is where I find most students lose marks. Explain means why. You need a cause and you need the effect. So let's consider the question. Explain how the climate in Chablis impacts on the fruit grown and the wine styles produced. Remember, we need cause and effect. So, cool temperatures, that's your cause. Mean grapes accumulate less sugar than in a warm climate. That is your effect, or as the question asks, your impact on the fruit grown. Leading to lower levels of alcohol, perhaps 12 to 13% ABV. That's the effect or impact on the wine style. That link, that's where the marks are. Here's the key point. The examiner is marking the verb, not how much you know about Chablis, not how much you've written, not how impressive it sounds. They're looking to be able to mark your use of that command verb. If you describe when you're asked to explain, you're not going to get those explanation marks. So, my tip, before you start writing, just pause just for a second. Ask yourself, what is this question actually asking me to do? I know in the exam it's easy to just download everything you know about a region, a grape, a wine style, but that's not going to get you the marks. Be precise, be disciplined, follow that command verb. Because at level 3, it's not just your knowledge that's being tested, it's your communication skills too.